guys, Mason here. We play a little Birds of Prey. I'm assuming it's similar to the Wild Leprechaun because it's on the same bank as them. I've got $30 in. It's a 2-cent machine, so we're going to bet 50 credits, which is $1, and see how it goes. Here we go. And the Eagles are wild, looks like.
Those are your bonus.
3 of those gold eggs would be cool. Oh, come on. $3.80, that's cool. Oh, come on.
That could have been good.
$4.70. Eggs.
The random, I think, is the bird that comes down and drops wild.
Well, let's see.
Why don't you get that and show them what it looks like?
Whoa! Okay. $5.40.
Kings?
Money back. Oh, come on, wolfies. Or foxes. I'm assuming they're foxes. One of these guys here would have been great.
Come on. Bonus, random, something.
Anything. It doesn't even thump when those come up. That's weird. See? No thump. Correct. For 20 whole cents. Damn you, Bambi. Kings.
Oh.
Well, that was under our $15 mark, so we're going to try and get back up to 30 and call it good. Gross.
Oh, come on. I can't believe it hasn't even teased you yet.
I know, only one. Nothing. Ouch.
It's more like the bird of collection, not pay.
There we go. No. It looked good.
Oh.
There you go, come on.
Didn't line up.
That did.
$3?
5. Ah.
Box. Oh no.
That's bad. 580. 17 more of those would be good. Do it. Do it. Do it. No. Oh, now it's gonna start this crap?
Find it. Damn.
Oh boy. Nothing. There we go. Do it.
Oh, ow.
Nothing. Kings.
For $5?
$21.
Oh.
I almost made it back. Longest video ever.
That'll do it. Nope.
Nope.
Didn't. Oh, that's a funky line.
Oops. I just wanted to try it twice. Alright, now I'm done. There you go. Of course, when I go back. Come on, eggs. You want to kiss my lucky egg? Do it! Oh, boo. Oh, sure. Nope. I'm gonna make Brian mad. Oh, come on. No.
Wow.
Yeah, but he's not close enough. It's not gonna line anything up. Get oh, respin. Okay.
Because you didn't win.
Gave me tens. Why don't you respin with some more of those guys? Box. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Get wrecked. No respin. That was exciting for nothing. Alright, 2 more spins. I lied. 3 more spins. Last spin, guys.
Wow.
And that was Birds of Pay. Extra bonus wilds. Thanks for watching, guys.
Hey guys, Brian here. Throwing a little money in wild Fiesta coins. Just hit the bonus. 7 free spins. We're betting $1.20, so let's see how we do. Peppers, re-trigger. Why is he not throwing coins?
Because he hates you.
Apparently. All right, 3 more spins. This is hardly worth turning the camera on for. Oh, you rat dog.
Last game.
Last game. There he goes.
Come
Oh,
on, Donkey.
Donkey's gonna come out and kick the wood. Kick the doors down, all of them. One more. Ah, you dirty animal.
Alright, come on, buddy.
Just throw a bunch of coins. 1. There you go. Another handful. Play your guitar. He's not gonna play his guitar. Pinatas? Nothing. More pinatas. Oh, nice. So on our last spin, we won $24. Not too shabby. $24.70. And that's gonna do it. Thanks for watching. Oh, you know what? I'll do a backup spin for you. There you go, 40 cents. Thanks for watching.